In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you've ever wondered where the logout option is, or you just want to switch accounts quickly, this guide will walk you through it clearly and safely. This is a very quick process, but I'll still take you through each step so you don't miss anything. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into your X account and looking at the main interface. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your profile picture or icon near the bottom left corner. This is the area you need to use to access account options. Go ahead and click your profile picture or icon once to open the pop-up menu. When the menu appears, look for the option that says log out followed by your username. This confirms that you're about to sign out of the correct account. Click log out and your username from the menu. After that, X will ask you to confirm the action, so you'll need to click log out again one more time. Once you confirm, you'll be signed out of X.com and return to the login screen. From there, you can either sign back in with the same account or choose a different one if needed. That's all there is to it. Just a couple of clicks and you're fully logged out. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.